Hey folks, I'm so excited to share with you this new listing at 109 Amazon Way Ridge here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. It's a mostly one-level home with a bonus over the garage, just under 2,000 square feet. And if you are someone who really likes privacy in your backyard, I think you're really gonna like it. Hey, have a look, let me know what you think. That was 109 Amazon Way Ridge here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. If you want more information or to schedule a private tour, or maybe you want more information about marketing your own property, feel free to reach out. Can't wait to hear from you.